Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to copy settings in Adobe Lightroom. So basically you will need to open your Adobe Lightroom and follow these steps. Now you need to import like an image. You will need to go to the menu library and you will just drag an image here from your PC. Now we will go to the develop menu and you will have your picture here. So basically you will need to have already done an adjustment to another picture. So let's just take an example with this one. So let's suppose that I want just to make these adjustments, and I'm just going to make some only some random adjustment. Now this is my presets. If I want to create presets and to do it to other images, all you need to go and make sure that you are in the develop mode. Here you will find in these tabs here, we will find presets. Now we need to just add a new preset or create a preset, and when you create it, it will copy these settings and it will create them here and give them just a noun, copy settings. So I'm naming it like this and just click create, and as you can see I have this preset here. So basically if I go back to my image in the previous thing and I will click on any preset, you will have this one. So let's just undo our things, and so whenever you are adding a preset to your image, it will be added automatically. So this way you can copy settings and do them or apply them to other images. So as you can see now, I just copied this or I added it at a new preset, and now I can add the same adjustment without any errors just by creating the preset and have it here and add in your new image. Just import a new one and you will have your presets applied to them after you click on it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.